First, open up the terminal in Linux Mint. Type in sudo apt install wine and press enter. Type in y and press enter. Wait for it to finish. Right-click the exe file you want to run, then select Open with other application. Type in wine, then press OK. All done. Please subscribe.